Code Avengers, it's an online learning platform that specialises in teaching coding to kids, and so the main idea is to try to prepare students for the digital world. This is what we provide, all the resources, all the material, the support and the training that teachers would need to be able to do that.
It opens up the students' thinking to what could be possible in their lives, and it's full of really exciting and innovative educational opportunities for our students.
Code Avengers have got the experts that can come in and spend that one-on-one intensive time with the students. There's also all of their website activities that the students can access. It just means that students have a better opportunity than they would in the very short space that's within my time frame.
AWS have organised this program and Intel have come and sponsored that, and as part of that what they've allowed us to do is come into schools to run these code camps. And these code camps are 2-day events where we take students through a variety of different exercises, so there'll be some coding online components to it, plus some offline activities that teach them about problem solving and algorithmic thinking. So it's really just a fun 2-day experience for the kids to really see, hey, this is actually pretty fun and this might be something I could do in the future. Being sort of a New Zealand-based and Māori owned and operated company, it's really sort of close to our heart to try and get as many sort of rangatahi as we can into this space. So we do have some of our courses translated into Māori, and we also have some courses that talk about things like matariki in a coding and a digital space. I guess the overall objective of the program is to try and encourage more Māori in Pacifica to look at tech as a potential career opportunity for them.
Coding is another reo for them to learn, to think about and to build on to make things happen. So it's a cause and effect, which they're really good at because this is the tech savvy generation. They know what to do, and if they don't know, they'll just keep trying.
So there's some pretty fun projects that they get to do. The first is that they actually get to build their own website. And being in a bilingual unit is really fun because we get to see them sort of building a website around their pepeha. So we get to see parts of themselves, they get to talk about where they're from, what their passions are.
Without having the instructions, they already had images and photos and clips that they wanted to express themselves on their website or to show their whānau. And so they find a way to tackle what they want on there, this is giving them the opportunity to do that.
So on my website, I've been creating my own pepea so people can connect with me through their whakapapa.
My favourite part is putting memes in like the website, and then I go up to my friend and look at this, and then they start laughing. My webpage is going to have my pepeha, my age, who lives with me, and stuff like that, and like my hobbies and stuff.
What I've learned at this coding camp is how to create my own website, and the skills that I've learned is being able to socialise with people and being able to tell people what to do and how to do it. Also, them being able to correct me and so I don't get a big head. But also, I've learned how to code and code and code and code and code and code.
Typically the main barrier will be something like cost, right? And that's usually the reason why a lot of these students don't tend to have these opportunities in school. Cost is quite a major barrier. So without the support of companies like AWS and Intel, it just wouldn't be possible. But with their support, they've taken away that barrier so that students have the opportunity to be able to engage with this material.
We're lucky enough to be one of the schools that's included in the Education Perfect rollout and the Code Avengers. Yeah.
So the way Education Perfect fit into this is they provide math, English and science resources. With the combination of their resources plus Code Avengers resources, we really provide a really strong STEM offering to schools.
He wero, mā wai e whakakaha I te tamaiti, mā ku, mā mātau, mā wai e tohu I te ara ki te anamata, mā ku, mā mātau, mā te mahi tahi, ka kite ai ngā kete o te mātauranga.